Welcome to the presentation of the CYPET game-changing technology for the production of PET bottles and jars. CYPET Technologies is a project of M. Sedaris and Son, a family-owned business established in Cyprus in 1968. In 2003, CYPET had conceived and patented a new innovative PET processing method. From 2003 to 2013, machines were designed, developed, thoroughly tested, and commercialized. Manufacturing infrastructure has been built, with full design, research and development unit, production facilities as well as technical support capabilities. There are two processes used for the production of PET bottles and jars. Two-stage process, suitable for high output and standard necks, and single-stage process, best suitable for small to medium output and non-standard necks. In the two-stage process, two separate machines are used, one for the production of preforms, and one for stretch-blowing preforms into bottles. In the single-stage process, one machine is used for both preform molding and bottle stretch-blowing. In the first stage of the two-stage process, the PET is first melted and injected in the preform mold. The preforms are completely cooled, packed, stored for future use, and transported for the second stage of stretch blowing, where they are fed into the blowing machine, reheated, and stretch blown into bottles. In the single-stage process, the PET is first melted and injected in the preform mold. The preforms are only partially cooled and directly stretch blown into bottles. The single-stage process offers substantial savings in energy and resources, as it eliminates most of the steps of the two-stage process. Conventional single-stage machines have two clamping units, one for opening and closing the injection mold vertically, and one for opening and closing the blow mold horizontally. Preforms are transferred using a rotary indexing table. In contrast, the CYPET single-stage machines use a single clamping unit for opening and closing both the injection and the blow molds simultaneously. To achieve this, the preforms have a horizontal orientation, while the bottles have a vertical orientation. This unique cavity arrangement forms the basis of the CYPET process, and is patented globally. The countries in which the CYPET process is patented represent 80% of global GDP. The use of a single clamping unit is particularly beneficial because it enables CYPET process to be implemented by using an injection molding machine as a base. The clamping unit of the machine is used for housing the injection mold as well as the blowing mold. A blowing station and a control system integrated onto the injection molding machine base complete the CYPET system. This short video illustrates the way in which the CYPET process has been implemented. When the CYPET machine clamping unit opens, the preforms are rotated by 90 degrees so that with a vertical movement the blowing station can simultaneously remove the ready bottles and transfer the preforms to the blow molds. In this way, when the CYPET machine clamping unit closes, the transferred preforms are stretch blown into bottles, while the new preforms are being molded. CYPET machines are available with takeout systems for bottle delivery onto a conveyor for post-molding operations. CYPET Technologies has implemented the CYPET single-stage process with two types of technologies. 4 CYPET machine models have adopted servo-hydraulic technology, in which the use of servo motors to drive the hydraulic pumps saves up to 40% electricity by delivering just as much oil as the machine requires. This additionally provides more consistent machine operation, due to the faster response time of the servo-hydraulic system, resulting in higher shot-to-shot repeatability. Furthermore, less maintenance is required because there is no need for sensitive hydraulic servo valves. Lastly, servo hydraulic machines exhibit very quiet operation. 3 additional CYPET machine models have adopted all-electric technology, being the only all-electric single-stage PET processing machines in the world capable of producing bottles up to 50-liter capacity or jars of up to 140 mm neck diameter. All-electric machines eliminate the risk of contamination from oil leaks, and are ideal for pharmaceutical and food contact applications. CYPET all-electric machines offer the lowest electricity consumption on the market for PET bottles production. An additional benefit of all-electric machines is their unmatched consistency, with the best shot-to-shot repeatability. Minimum maintenance and extremely quiet operation are additional benefits of all-electric production. This innovative technology in both its servo-hydraulic and all-electric formats offers significant advantages compared to conventional single-stage technologies. Firstly, it requires lower investment for equivalent output, due to the use of cost-effective, as well as mature, and reliable injection molding technology as a base. Furthermore, the generous clamping force and area allow the use of more cavities for higher outputs. Secondly, CYPET machines consume up to 50% less electricity compared to existing single-stage machines use conventional hydraulic technology. For the servo-hydraulic CYPET machine models, electricity consumption is only 0.36 kWh per kilogram of finished bottles produced. For the all-electric CYPET machines, electricity consumption is even lower. All CYPET machines are equipped with an air recovery system, thereby minimizing air compressor size and energy use. Another CYPET advantage is the much faster mold change time of up to 2 hours. A simple support system is used for changing the injection mold. The blowing mold can be removed from the top without removing any machine parts. CYPET machines are extremely flexible with respect to the wide range of bottle and jar sizes that can be produced on the same machine by changing molds. No other stretch blowing machine on the market offers such wide flexibility. The CYPET K28 machine model can produce 50-liter PET drums of up to 180 mm neck diameter with 1 cavity and 20 liters bottles and jars of 145 mm neck diameter with 2 cavities. Alternatively, bottles of up to 3 liters and jars of up to 83 mm neck can be produced with 8 cavities on the same machine. This is achieved by using 2 rows of 4 cavities each. Small bottles of up to 350 ml can be produced with 16 cavities using 2 rows of 8 cavities each. This table illustrates the production capabilities of CYPET system. Some production examples of the servo-hydraulic machine model K28 are large bottles and jars with 2 cavities, medium-sized bottles, and 83 mm neck diameter jars with 8 cavities. Small bottles up to 300 ml can be produced on the K28 with 16 cavities. The all-electric machine model K30E machine model is extremely flexible, capable of producing from small bottles with 24 cavities to the largest PET containers of up to 50 liters with 1 cavity. The bottles and jars shown in this photo are examples of containers produced on CYPET machines. CYPET technical team has achieved the lowest bottle weight for disposable water bottles, which withstand the dispenser vacuum without collapsing. In 2014, CYPET has delivered a system for producing 50-liter PET beer keg capable of withstanding over 9 bar burst pressure. Both the base and 2 top chimes was designed by CYPET for easy handling and stackability. One of the main target applications CYPET is focusing on is providing innovative solution to replace HDPE containers with PET containers. Up to 50% saving in raw material could be the result of such conversion. Furthermore, CYPET system offers the possibility of injecting the handle in the preform neck for further saving. CYPET technical team is currently working on a project for producing 120-liter PET drums on K53 machine model, with 1 cavity molds. The expected PET drum weight of the would be half of the weight of the equivalent HDPE drum. A further advantage of the CYPET process is that the design of the injection molds is based on the proven and reliable two-stage preform mold technology. As a result, CYPET molds have naturally balanced hot runners, which remain balanced for all preform weights, unlike the rheological balanced molds used in conventional single-stage machines. Additionally, CYPET hot runners are valve-gated, to eliminate stringing. The large gate diameter results in lower shear rates and higher injection speeds. And for easy maintenance, CYPET use standard hot runner component. First-class reliable components are used on CYPET machines. For the injection molding functions, the controller is from CYPET in Austria, the servo inverter is from CYPET in Germany, and European brands are used for the hydraulic components. For the stretch blowing functions, the pneumatics from Festo in Germany, the controller and servo motor from Beckhoff in Germany, the servo gearbox is from Wittenstein Alpha in Germany, and the high-pressure blowing valves are from sites in Switzerland. For new projects, CYPET designers work hand-in-hand with customers to create the most attractive and cost-effective PET packaging, by using state-of-the-art hardware and software. Furthermore, CYPET offer pilot production for customer to test their innovative idea or to explore the market for specific PET containers before investing in CYPET system. Upon customer's request, CYPET would undertake the implementation of entire projects by providing and installing machine, molds, container takeout systems, auxiliaries as well as filling lines, to ensure smooth production. All CYPET machines are equipped with remote control hardware with Ethernet interface and pre-installed software ready to use for remote diagnostics and monitoring. If required, CYPET provides on-site technical emergency support. CYPET team would be more than happy to provide you with tailor-made PET solutions. Please do not hesitate to contact us at info@cypet.eu. More information are available on our website, www.cypet.eu. Thank you for your attention.